It's only one thing better than cheddar. Life is a puzzle, I put it together. I'm like DMC, my run tougher than leather. I come from an era of golf hats, ball caps, pit hats with feathers, plaid slacks with the button-up jackets to match. I blast that, any knucklehead fucking with rap. I gotta chuckle at that, rap black belt. Motherfucker, but the buckle is back. Pro rap, what you wanna do? Nothing with that. You suck like a hole on Figaro when you whack. Niggas know it and they talk to your back. Behind closed doors to get a good laugh. Like that factory that niggas a rap. Your name ain't Seinfeld if you black. My clientele sell more than the crack that Reagan let in. Fucking Megan good friend at the Holiday Inn. She look like a twin.
One thing's for certain, two things for sure. Nowhere to work in, no way to grow. A crazy place we are, praying for the best of times. Oh yeah, yeah.
My mind is like a peace book. I can't get no peace wherever I look. My own worst enemy, even the evil get shook. For the violence, the fans turn finicky. Silly of me to think that I could untie that ribbon in the sky. Senior citizens deny the insure isn't as pure. They require that same sugar high. Rely on religion if your heart's missing. It won't work, search all written. Emerge, make them all listen. Some rehearse them devilish words and put the hurt in them. I mean the hurting on them. Wicked without warning. Been the whole year, shed a tear for them. A year since I heard from them. I don't care, I know where I'm going.
One thing's for certain, two things for sure.
I believe I can fly.
No way to grow, yeah. A crazy place we are, praying for the best of times.
Everybody got the blues and it's evident. Got workers losing their jobs and their residence. And